Hello, today we will be talking about an invention that can change the world. My name is Ali Reza Hashemi and I'm here with my co-worker.
Hi, hello. My name is Beheshte Vakli and I'm glad to be here. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell us what is Hallux Valgus?
Yes, so a bunion or Hallux Valgus is a type of deformity in the big toe. It usually occurs when the first metatarsal bone of the toe turns inwards towards the other toes. And it affects 19% of the world's population, sadly, with a prevalence of 23.74% in women and 11.43% in men, so it's almost double the size.
Okay, great. What are the causes?
So the causes would be genetics, foot-related diseases, and as well as the use of inappropriate footwear.
What are the exact symptoms?
So the symptoms would be, the most obvious one would be a big bony bump at the base of the big toe, as well as swelling, numbness, redness, and also pain.
Okay, and how is it diagnosed?
The diagnosis is usually based on the appearance of the foot, but if you want to get a much more exact diagnosis, the doctor would recommend an X-ray, and he would detect its severity with that X-ray taken.
Okay, and are there any risks involved?
Yes, so the more you get exposed to X-rays, right, you would have the higher chances of getting cancer or skin issues such as cataracts, tissue effects, and etc.
How about the treatment?
So the treatments are surgical and non-surgical. The non-surgical would include changes in footwear, the pressure-reducing pads, as well as toe splinting, also callus shaving, and as well as orthotic devices.
Okay, and what's your solution for this issue?
So to put an end to this horrible pain and also the after effects of the diagnosis, a smart device was born as of February, an invention that helps both patients and doctors using image processing. This device detects the angle of Hallux Valgus and analyzes the patient's treatment process with each visit to the hospital or the doctor.
Okay, wonderful. And what are the benefits of this invention?
So it would first be detecting the toe deviation angle using image processing, as well as scheduling for treatment. Also display screen showing the exact Hallux Valgus angle and type. Also would be monitoring the deformity progression to adjust the individual's treatment plan. And to add on, measuring patient activity and reviewing performed therapeutic exercises. So you could actually monitor that through that. And also an exclusive application for each individual to store measured data.
Okay, and one last question.
Please.
What about the marketplace?
Okay. So this invention is usable for individuals with Hallux Valgus or the deformity. The device can be used in hospitals, clinics, therapeutic centers, rehabilitation, and physiotherapy centers, and can be obtained from authorized medical equipment sales representatives in person or online, pharmacies, and the Red Crescent.
We hope this invention can be used for patients with Hallux Valgus and can ease their lives.
Wishing for bigger and better inventions in the future.